Video 24, Recommended Timeframes. This video is part of our Forex Trading training series, which is brought to you by forexminute.com. As the title suggests, I will be recommending timeframes in this video for you to analyze and trade as a Forex trader. As a Forex trader, you should never feel that there aren't enough markets or currency pairs available for you to analyze and trade. The majority of Forex brokers offer at least 25 currency pairs, and if you're based out of the US, the majority of brokers also offer CFDs on commodities, indices, and equities. So as a trader, there is a vast treasury of financial assets for you to trade. Obviously, this series is focused very much on Forex, but even in the Forex markets, there are plenty of currency pairs to trade. Apart from the amount of currency pairs there are to trade, there are also a vast amount of time frames for you to analyze and trade off. So hence this video, which time frames do you trade? I will recommend some time frames. The time frames I'm going to recommend are the time frames used by the majority of retail traders and professional traders. Now the reason for that is we want to be looking at the same charts that the successful majority are looking at. The reason being, if there are signals on the charts we're looking at and the majority are also analyzing that chart and see that signal, then markets are more likely to act accordingly. If there's a signal on a 4-hour chart to go short, that financial asset is more likely to depreciate, or price is more likely to drop if that signal is being seen by a large portion of traders. Whereas if that signal was, say, on a 2-hour chart, which not many traders are looking at, there's a less chance of that signal actually fulfilling what it is signaling. And another reason why we want to be analysing charts that the majority of retail traders and professional traders are analysing is there is plenty of online analysis available. If we're committed to trading off 4-hour charts and daily charts, which are hugely popular with retail and professional traders, then there's more resources available for us online. As there is a lot of traders trading 4-hour and daily charts, there is a lot of 4-hour and daily analysis online and other resources for those time frames. On the screen is a trading platform offered by a very popular broker, and at the top here we have available timeframes. Now these timeframes range from second timeframes, minute timeframes, hourly timeframes, and then daily and weekly. Under second timeframes we have 5, 10, 15 and 30 second. Minute timeframes we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 30 minute timeframes, and then under the hourly timeframes we have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour and 12 hour, and then we have daily and weekly charts. So you'll see that there is a vast amount of timeframes offered by brokers on their platforms. So which timeframes do I suggest you trade? Well, let's make this list a lot smaller, and there we have it. So I have made the list a lot smaller, and these are the timeframes that I recommend you use for your analysis, and the reasons being were given in the slide previous: 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hourly, 4 hourly, daily and weekly. If you're new to Forex trading or any type of trading, then I would strongly suggest that you learn to trade off 4 hourly charts and daily charts before you look into these shorter time frames and aim to day trade. As from my experience, the 4-hour chart and the daily chart are more simple to analyze, and from my experience require a lot less commitment and can be just as profitable as the shorter time frames used for day trading. This video was brought to you by forexminute.com, which provides market analysis, training material, broker reviews and more.